Okay, this young lady here is Henrietta, and the one standing next to her, that's Ruby, and on the far end is Patches. My coop was made out of all scrap wood. As you can see, it's very, very beautiful. Back there is their little coop. It has 2 nest boxes. And here are my juveniles. They'll be laying in a couple of months. I haven't named these yet. But those are my Buff Orpingtons. And I have 2 Americanas. And then there's Spaz. And when I open the coop, you'll see why she got that name. That is Spaz right there. And there are the other girls. The feeder is hung so they don't keep turning it over. There are the water bottles. I built them 2 roosts. They love that. They love to sit up high.